With Faith and Kulubu's storyline, House of Zude has been doing the most this week. Let us have a recap of what has happened throughout the week on House of Zude. Nakia, akuphi amanga wami? I told you from the beginning that I don't trust Umamkulu. Mamkulu looks like there's something that she's hiding and something very big. Because tell me why, was she the one that was kneeling down and begging Faith Zwide to say, please marry my husband? We are going to make a beautiful family. Our kids are going to enjoy this. And besides, Ukulubuse has a lot of money. And with that money, he also have Umuzumkulu. So we are dingega a second hand. And she knew. Remember when I said to you guys, deep down, uvalo liyakhuluma, and that uvalo is the one that you don't have to ignore. Because if you ignore it, later stage, you're going to come back and say, Bengizwa ngaphakathi ukuthi no, khona into eshamanzi. Now here we are. Well, so Kulubuse decided to take his wife to be back home Emakaya, and they are going to be introduced to the panzis, the Aba Panzi, the underground, and also to be introduced to the Mdenis. And now the problem is, Faith is not so sure if she wants to go there because she says she's got a company that she's running. She cannot just up and leave. And this was also influenced by Umamkulu saying that, but remember, you need to be introduced at home. We have to do dintoka mietlo wasito and everything that has to be done, it has to be done correctly. So which means that you and Nomieni Wako to be, you have to go back home and be introduced properly. Make sense? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Swede. Sanbonani, Abshen, Malweni, Minjani, Hibukile Hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongonoko wa hina wa House of Zwide hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that mabavalelisa bazohamba ukhulubuse noFaith. Umsizi uthi kena kukhulubuse, listen, I want you to take care of my sister because makungenjalo, and I quote, ngizokubulala. And I think ukhulubuse took that as a joke and is not. Knowing umsizi, ngiyamthemba. Ngiyamthemba, guys, ngiyamthemba. When it comes to that, isigebengu phela umsizi. So when he mayisho kanjalo angayenza, there's nothing that's gonna stop him. Okay, anyway, so they arrive at Kulubuse's house and everybody was warm welcoming, but Upoti, who happens to be umntana Kulubuse, and the wife, and obviously nomntanakhe uSibahle, bebahlaza nje from the time they got there. So now I think it was a test that was given for Faith to angene esibayeni and get a chicken, and she was hesitant about it. And then Usibahle was like, ufika nje so ninamutsinga ningadrobushika. I know, but what does that have got to do with anything, with respect and all of that? I just don't want to catch a chicken. At Usibahle again, oh, you want to get us a fried chicken instead of catching one. So yabona la. This is how we do it. And don't pretend as if you don't know. You've been to Gazwite. You've got teasers before. So this is not like something that is new to you. You are used to this life. So why are you pretending? Ngena ngapha esibayeni ubambe inkukhu so that we can know ukuthi uma kodwa ngempela. Umamkhulu then added and said ukuthi, we just want to know ukuthi if I'm not around, ingane zami zizodla. And Faith was not happy about that. She went in fashionably so, go and get the chicken, and she managed to do it. Like they were clapping hands for the walk of shame. And I knew deep down in my heart, which Mamkulu does not have anything right as Oyenza. From there, Ukulubuse decided to call them to a place where he was introducing Umashenge to Abapants. Then he was talking to abaphansi ukuthi ngaye eGoli ngafica intokazi, and then naye sengibuye nayo, so ngicela ukuthi nibusise ngoba ngifisa ukumshada. And now izinto zavele zahamba kwang 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 when uFaith thought that she was going to be sleeping nomyeni wakhe to be, but that did not happen because umamkhulu says baba kade uhambo. So bengicabanga ukuthi sekubonisa igumbi lakho ukuthi uzolala kuphi, sikuprepherele nawe Faith usibahle uzozazi ukubonisa ukuthi ulala kuphi. Bamshiye kanjalo nje nabaphansi. Oh, and she was there, devastated, surprised, and thinking, what's next? Do I stand up here? Or do I continue talking to abaphansi? Yo, and I'm like, yo, yeah, but Umamkulu did her dirt. And the way she did her dirt, Umyeni did not even notice ukuthi kwenzakalani. Njengabantu besifazane siyibonile lento. Wasala kanjalo uFaith. Usele lapho nabaphansi. Ayiwa. Oh my goodness. So now, on the other hand, Unaliruna Ashu uzama ukubolela limsizi are okay. So I see you are very interested in this whole thing, Yaga Faith getting married to Kulubuse. But what is the catch here? Are you interested because you know to Kulubuse unezumbuluze mali and he is going to pay Lobola and that money comes to you? Or is it because you're really happy for your sister? Oh, to your papag, you're supposed to go to your father's house so that he can teach you manners. My way. That there you You must go back to your father's house so that they can teach you manners, because at what point, at what level, sifike njani la? Roshikisani apho, unerandelelana. Kondelela inwi. Yay! How unaluruna ari yo? Wa itse ma 1K. Ne re bolela pila mo so ha re itse hore ho etsahetseng. Ra bolela and then the next thing o mongwe wa kwata. And then umpolela gore ke tshwantse ke tsamaye ke go papaka. Like, at what point did we get there as well? Now, on the other hand, umlife shemu uyagowa, akagowi, ugayi uyapherisha, uyandiza ugayi. So he wanted to have this new style of approach, trying to approach a lady who happens to be a vendor girl. And vendor girl are nikota damini daba. So now, I think he got a bit triggered because the first approach that he tried doing was with a vendor girl, and he was married to a vendor woman. Now it's like the vendors just don't stay away from him. Remember, Pinky at some point was asking if he found someone. So it's like vendor and Mulefe, it's one thing. So now, that did not go well because cold drink lapho, and he was like, Kanti, what is going on? And then at some point he was talking to his co-worker, and co-worker was busy saying, Mphathi angeke uzofasa igababa, you need nje uhambe uyokhuluma nalo muntu. So Mphathi says, okay, it's fine, let me go and give it a second try. He went and let's just take it his old fashion. While on the other hand, Ukeletso is excited about her matric and the family is there to support. And obviously, Mamngani wake says Maria says that she's going to do her hair every week so that she can showcase her talent on Keletso's hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. I appreciate you. Now everything leveled up on Tuesday. Now let's go and have a bit of a recap on what happened on Tuesday this week on House of Zwide. Yeah, but I didn't think that Faith has it in her. I thought, Faith is the modest, the I can't hlaba inkuku type of a woman, the nail, the pedicure, manicure, brows on fleek. I cannot do anything that is like house chores. I got away back again when she started showing off the village part of her, and yay! So now this for me gets very interesting. Faith Zwide is soon to be Faith whoever now shows off her skills. And remember, all of this was it was done so that Faith can be portrayed as Ivila, someone that cannot survive a Makaya. So now from ukuthi bamhlabisa inkukhu, she was running around, and then bamvusa ekuseni ngo-5 o'clock, and then she was told ukuthi uzovuka before ilanga liphuma. So that means that she has to be ready way before anyone else is ready. And this is happening while they are taking videos of her. She was given lots and lots of laundry to do, and then videos were taken, and then bahlekisa ngaye lezi ngane lezi uSibahle nobhuti wakhe bahlekisa ngaye, and then out of that umama kaSibahle uthulile untombi uya-enjoy it, ayekela ingane wena ziyadlala. And then now a very critical question was asked, uFaith asking untombi ukuthi, but did you not promise me, waze wafunga ngogogo wakho ukuthi uzongiphatha kahle, sophathana kahle? Athi eyilalela anginagogo ke mina, hayi ugogo umuntu engenaye, into engiyaziyo ukuthi wena uzosebenza la ekhaya. When you have to prove yourself ukuthi you are capable of doing what you think you can do. And if I was kukwenza lokho, then sinenkinga. Ayike ngena uFaith, and then in the morning, well, when she got egumbini lakhe where she has to sleep, she then realized that it was smelling. And it was smelling because umamkhulu was spraying things, saying that no, yabona la ekhaya kunemimoya, so I'm trying to chase away the spirits so that you can comfortably sleep. But it was smelling, and you could tell from her facial expression that the place was smelling so much so that she was like, I can't even breathe here. Not forgetting with chemical engineering. Umamkhulu ufake chemistry on her headboard. And I wonder, what is that chemical engineering for? Umuthi wani ufuna ukumenzani, uyamthakatha, or what's happening? I don't know. But I just hope that does not work. Because you know why I say it doesn't work? Because when Faith met with uKhulubuse, first of all, uKhulubuse never said that he was married. uKhulubuse lied to Faith. Right? And only when uFaith has angening ekhanda and now wants to be with him, and amcele ukuthi amshade, only then was she then told ukuthi ubaba unomfazi. And she was not told by uKhulubuse, she was told by the daughter. Therefore, I think, I'm not saying ukuthi it's right ukuthatha indoda yomuntu, but this is a different scenario altogether. Yeah, she's got a leg to stand on. She did not know, even when she knew. By the time she was told, she was willing to call it quits. But when a handsome man charming, and then the handsome man was so charming, and then his wife too comes through and say, shatter indoda yami. What else can you say when you love the man? You are going to shatter the man. But now, hey, here we are. Now, she wakes up early in the morning, try and prepare breakfast, and then amakanda ababani, usaude ubabani, and mina, deep down in my heart, kalidibita kanalanga, I think that was a sabotage. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing a House of Zwide. Sanbonan abshin molweni minjani hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana kwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma kore shilo ashithamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that untombi is gunning to make sure that umashenge uyahlupheka from pillar to post. Umnikeza impahla eningi ukuthi aziwashe, and fortunately for my girl Faith, she's representing. Girl is making sure that she do everything by the book, but obviously the sabotages are here and there. Now here's the masterpiece. Uthe untombi please go and give umama Zala ukudla uhlale egumbini lakhe, but she normally takes her food at a specific time, so she does not get served food early in the morning like the rest of the people. At the back of my mind now, watching that episode, I'm like, umamkhulu deliberately made uFaith to go and deliver food late because of the information that she was given. I don't think that was true. That was another sabotage to say everybody else can eat, and then Mama Zala is gonna eat later, and then should it happen that she asked, then it was going to be blamed on Faith. Right. But when unkulunkulu angaguwe, then she goes deliver food, and then unfortunately for umamkhulu and fortunately for Faith is that umama Zala, she adores uFaith. And she was like, you know what? uKhulubuse akaqambanga manga ngawe. You actually what he says you are. And be careful.
Ungamvumeli untombi akuyise pillar to post, because I know inhliziyo yakhe uzomake sure that this place can be a living hell for you. And nakhona-ke nami when I got here, I suffered in Tombo. And then they started connecting. And then Mama said, yo, that moment was priceless, my darling. Ati Mama Zala, I also suffered. And then she asked, how ngempela? Then how did you unqobe kanjani ke yonke lento? Are he, nando thomo ulicho takatsa batho. Kare wa bona ilinna. I'm going to do what I think is right and forget about everybody else. That is exactly what you're going to do. Ungamvumeli untombi anikwa wayisathinisayinke nanke. Just make sure that you do the right thing. Now untombi walks in because why? She wants to sabotage everything. Saying to Mama Zal, "Hayi ungathi niyazwana." Then Mama Zala was like, yeah, ungathi uFaith unenhliziyo enhle. Ungathi ungamboleka ke wena uFaith akaboleke untombi inhliziyo enhle, and it got awkward. And then after that, she was not really happy with those remarks. You could tell from the face. But now, uFaith umenendoda yakhe to be, and then bakosomorana jahanwani wafunani, and then kiha Sibahle walks in. In fact, walks on a distance. She was sent to ask some things, and then Hafitla Mole Ukrai Zitandani busy. And then Kulubuso was telling her that she does not love Untombi at all. Everything there is finished, and should Faith want it to be, he can even request a divorce if that's what Faith wants. And then Usbahle was so unpleased with that information. At bese uyashogena ukuthi umama uthi. And then uKhulubuso was like, tell uNyogo ukuthi I'm gonna come and speak to her. I think that did not sit well, to a point where Usbahle wahamba utshela uNyogo ukuthi ubaba uthi wena akasakuthandi and angenzela uFaith nanoma yini. Mina ngizonda indaba yomuthi nje. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload.
As matters escalate, I want to appreciate you for making it this far. Let's have a last episode on what happened on House of Zwide this week. Okay, I'm getting mixed emotions. Okay, not mixed emotions, but mixed pictures. I'm not too sure. Umamkulu now is having like a proper decent conversation with uFaith. Like a heart-to-heart type of a situation. What happened? Mina ngagcina bezondana moslaba boyithu. Kan kwenzakalani ngahlahle? Okay, not that bazondana. Umamkhulu is the one ozane no chef, not wanting the other child. Kube uyena wamrecruit, wamletha lana emakhaya. Sekafika emakhaya, manje umamkhulu sekamjikela. Manje sekafuna ahambile. So now I did not understand. Now on today's episode, she's being very nice and asking, why did you decide to bake for us? Because uFaith decided to wake up abhake amakhekhe nama-queen's cake, and umamkhulu was impressed, saying, okay, who taught you? She says, my mom did, but we do not have a really good relationship by then. But one or two things I was able to grasp from her, and then when she was teaching me. So now Mamkulu says, you know what? I also think that I did not really have an easy childhood, because now when I grew up, by the time I grew up, I wanted to go to varsity and I couldn't because I had to marry uKhulubuse. So that actually delayed me. Now I look back into those days, I feel like I have actually robbed myself a very good chance of me going to varsity and actually being educated and getting something out of myself. That touched Faith a bit, you could see from her face. But then on the background, was partly standing there, and she's not interested in everything that they are talking about, but and you can tell from her facial expression, who are they pain ungani. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana, sanbonani, abshin, molweni, minjani, hivukile hingengwile. So namuhla ka nonokwa hina wa House of Zwide, hikumokore shulaf tsamsekange kahle, looking at the fact that Molife, oh boy. Molife should just go to Pinky because, I mean, what the hell. So now, Molife first came across this lady, and then he wanted to approach her, but the lady was vendor speaking.
Mm. And remember, his wife was Venda speaking. His ex-wife was Venda speaking, and then I think for some unknown reason he got triggered, and then ulimi lwa vele lwa staka. Kore mafuko hatse ngwanana motho a shuwe o didimetse ba re hela bolela ba be ba mmetsa ka mabitso because what do you mean o tlo tla ko pele haka and then o eme and not say anything. Okay, so as he was working out, then he came across the same lady again, and then she's like, oh gosh, wena ungakwazi ukukhuluma futhi, why ungilandelela? Okay, that one passed, but then now Molife got an opportunity to go to House of Zwide and fit some of their luxurious garments that made him look expensive. On his way back home to Tembisa, came across this lady, very beautiful lady, and then for some unknown reason, Basha Sanalapo, things fell on the floor. While they were on the floor, that is where the conversation was sparked and started happening. I don't know how did it get to a point where Mlife started promising this child heaven and earth. Started saying, so mashishini, he's onto car wash business, and he owns a spare, and then he also have a business, a fashion business. So which means that he said, I'm an entrepreneur with different kind of businesses. He did not say Guti the suit that he was wearing. Bambolegile Guti. He must be like a model of the suit. But no, he said Yena he owns a fashion boutique, and then he's a car wash owner. Also, he owns a spare. And then now you know what's gonna happen to that child. High hopes. But that girl could have asked, if really you are such an entrepreneur, so mashishini ongaga, kanti why utamaka moto? Kolo ya hao ikai. Kanti go irahalang why like unyakang mo Thembisa le yena ngwana o le hanagane wa itse nna a ke itse banyana ha ba kgone go botsa dipotso tse di right. You can't be asking, you just don't know how to ask the right questions. Why is he there? Why is he even walking? Okay, maybe he's taking a walk, but kolo ya hao ikai. Anywho, so from there now, when he got to the house, he did explain gore hey wa itse ke bone ngwanyana le upila ene ke nyaka mongena, but the problem is ke boletse maka. But no, why ubuleti maka? Then he ubulela maka hape. You know when someone is so used to lying, they lie on top of a lie. Now ubulela maka hape. I don't know, actually ngwana le ke moditse gore no, I don't own all of these things. I was just talking, and which is a lie. Kurunya gore ba tsoko yena ka speed. Right? Khulubisa was having a conversation with Faith and then unfortunately somebody that got to be eardropping was Usbahle, and boy oh boy, when I say the conversation did not sit well with the child, I mean it went south. The child was fuming. It's okay. Wena umthanda ma izinto bozikhuluma lapha yathi ukhuluma say no, you don't take it like that. It's not like I meant it like that. Hayi vele you meant it like that. There's no any other way that you meant it. We meant it like that vele. So this is actually how you feel about her. And then akhona kuyabonisa ukuthi amkhathalele. At least mina ngiyamkhathalela. Only one person uyamkhathalela la endlini, and it's me. And if I were to choose between two parents, I would choose Uma. Inhliziyo kaKhulubuse was so broken because he initially wanted them to take a walk, but now that dream just shabalal because the child is not interested, because she overheard you promising your is it your newly wedded? No, your soon to be wife, heaven and earth, and said the rest of the people must just butt out. That did not sit well with him. Speaking of sitting well with her, uHezekiel Nkosi yami weje. So after uPinky took ama-grocery wakhe, he is back with a bang and making abantwana ukuthi bahambe bocelana nezimali, and then part of the people lebacele imali in Sandton was uKeletso. Kelozo went looking for money. The confidence was on zero. She didn't make a lot of money. She made only 30 rand. Out of the 30 rand, she was then left at Sandton to walk herself back to Tembisa because she did not make enough money. Then she had to call ubabu wakhe ukuthi baba ngicela ungilande because bangishiyile la. The father was not really happy considering it's Hezekiel's things. Now the father came, collected her, and then, well, after that, they had a conversation over food, and then Babuakatilalela, it means that you have to stay away from your boyfriend, because if your boyfriend didn't not call you and convince you to be joining this God knows what, you were not going to be in that area and you were not going to be left alone as a girl child alone in the streets. So this guy means that aganandaba now. So Kelozo was just telling the father, no, but he cares about me. He tried speaking on my behalf. It's just that the driver did not want to listen. And I'm like, yeah, it's shubile time. So Ubab Mulapo says he's going to see Hezekiel because today he did not find him. So he's going to try everything possible so that he can go and see him. Uzomo hunter down. And the problem is now Brakata is out, and him being out, that only means trouble. And I don't know if Isaac knows about it, because it's going to be a shock of a lifetime when he goes and find Ezekiel with Brakata, because Brakata was the one that went to jail and took Brakata out and said the person that Okfagela, who Isaac. Yo, I foresee danger, chaos. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload.